In this 2-minute tech tip, I'm going to be reviewing the TUSK bearing retainer tool for Honda dirt bikes. Stay tuned. If this is the first time changing the wheel bearings in your rear hub on your Honda dirt bike, you're definitely going to come across this bearing retainer here. And really the only way to get it out is by using this TUSK bearing retainer remover tool. So getting a closer look at this retainer, it basically keeps the bearing in and prevents it from coming out. It's threaded in there with these notches along the outside edge. I first didn't have one of these tools and I tried using a hammer and chisel to knock it out. And you can see that I boogered it up just a little bit. So once I realized I was doing that, I stopped what I was doing, spent the $15 on this tool, and now we're gonna see how well it works. So really just throw your 1/2-inch drive socket on it, line the notches up in the retainer, and see how easy it is to come off. So using the socket wrench, it seemed like I couldn't get a good enough hold onto the hub and get enough leverage to drive that retainer off. So what I did next was throw it on the impact gun, and it worked way easier. From there, just use that TUSK blind bearing remover tool to drive the bearing out. Well, overall, how did it work? It worked great when it was on the impact gun. I didn't have a problem at all, but when I was using the socket wrench, like I said, I couldn't get a hold of the hub well enough and enough leverage to use the socket wrench to drive it off. I also had some trouble keeping the notches into the bearing retainer of the tool. Would I buy the tool again? Absolutely. It worked great on the impact gun, and it's exactly what I needed to get that bearing removed, to throw it in the vapor blaster, get them powder coated, throw new bearings in, to make the hub and wheel brand new again. If you guys do need that bearing retainer tool, the link is in my description below. But that's all we got for this 2-minute tech tip / review of the TUSK bearing retainer remover tool for Honda dirt bikes. As always, ride hard, be safe, and we'll see you in the next video. Peace.